it's Gina from WTI. I found the need to start writing in a journal again, and I found this beautiful one from CooLeathor. I don't know about you, but I just have a hard time expressing myself on a computer or tablet to talk about my goals or what it is that I'm going through. So I just enjoy being able to use a pen or pencil and actually write them down in this journal. This journal is so beautiful, it just makes it a joy to write in. The leather is soft and has a rustic brown color to it. It just looks very weathered, kind of like it's been in the backpack of an archaeologist who's been using it to write down all of his explorations. The binding has a brown thread that's been used to sew all the pages in, and it just has a really historic or old worldly feel to it that I really like. I have terrible handwriting, so having the lined paper makes it a lot easier for me to keep things straight and almost legible. So I use this journal not just for writing down my monthly goals, but also for gratitude journaling because it really helps me to think about what I'm thankful for. I think this would make a really wonderful gift for someone, or you can just get it and use it yourself. It's durable, it has lots of pages, it's going to last a really long time. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.